Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And today we're going to be discussing about types of pronouns with simple definitions. Okay, so let's start the video. So you can take a screenshot of this if you want. Okay, the first type of pronoun is the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used to replace specific people or things. They depend on whether the person is speaking, first person, is being spoke to, second person, or is being spoke about, the third person. Examples are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Okay, like for example, I'm gonna say, my name is Shriyansh Tiwari, and I'm gonna explain this to you. So in this, I is the pronoun. I'm not saying like my name is Shriyansh Tiwari, and Shriyansh Tiwari is gonna explain this to you. Okay, let's move on to possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. They indicate that something belongs to someone. Examples mine, yours, his, she, her, it's, ours, theirs. Like I'm going to say, this is my pencil. This is your pencil. This is his shirt. Okay, moving on to demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point to or identify specific things or people. Examples this, that, these, those. Like a very simple example is this is my friend, this is my cousin, that is my laptop. Okay, relative pronouns introduce relative clauses and connect them to the main clause. They help and provide more information about a noun. Examples who, whom, whose, which, that. And interrogative pronouns. We know that interrogative is related to question. So, interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They seek information about people or things, like who, whom, whose, which, what. Like a simple example is, what is this? Who are you? Whose pencil is this? Etc. Okay, indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. They don't point to a particular individual or quantity. Examples everyone, someone, nothing, everything, all, few, many. Means it's not specified to one person. Okay, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same person or thing. They end in self or self. Examples myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. For example, they themselves did it. This sentence has two pronouns. Comment down which type of pronouns are those two. Okay, last but not least is intensive pronoun. Intensive pronoun emphasizes a preceding noun or pronoun. They're not necessary for the sentence meaning. Like, I myself did it, she herself told me. So these are different type of pronouns. The use of them is to help us avoiding repeating nouns in sentences and add clarity to our communication. Like, suppose there's one guy named Rahul. So we will not say a sentence like this. This is Rahul. Rahul has a pencil. Rahul is a good boy. Rahul is playing cricket right now. So instead of saying Rahul every time, we're going to say, this is Rahul. He is a good boy. He's playing cricket right now. We'll use he as a pronoun. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Have a nice day.